Alright mga ka-cowboy. So ito no, very thankful tayo nito sa aking kaibigan, best friend na galing pang Boston, US. May ireregalo sila sa atin. Yan na. Ayun o, si Carl.
Okay, I'm giving this Osmo 3 DJI to my dearest friend for
Wow!
more than 10 years. I hope you're gonna use it well and have more videos. You know?
Wow, thank you so much. O, tingnan mo, ang ganda. So, paano pala gamitin to?
And we just
So-
pull it out.
No?
And then if you turn this, it will turn on.
Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. So, pagka pinaharap mo siya, ganyan. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda.
The selfie.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yan ah. Oh. Eh, pang-vlog na tayo. Let's go. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Carl.